CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.3 Compare and contrast storage types. Read and write. It is time to break away from the exam objectives for a moment and do a bit of bonus learning in order to discuss read and write. These two actions are fundamental in the world of computing, with applications that stretch across software development, database management, data analysis, and file storage. So, let's start with read. A read operation involves retrieving information from a storage device and bringing it into the computer's system memory for processing. In other words, you're pulling information from storage so it can be used. You might also hear it described using terms like access or retrieve. And because data is coming out of the drive, this action is considered a drive output operation. Now that we've defined a read, let's flip the script and talk about a write. A write operation is essentially the opposite of a read. Instead of retrieving data, a write involves storing or updating information on a storage device. This could mean modifying existing data or adding new data. In simple terms, you're sending data to the drive so it can be kept there for later use. And since information is going into the storage device, a write is considered a drive input operation. It's the other half of the equation that makes data storage possible. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.